Azerbaijan provided financial.
Right.
Assumed the chairmanship of the non-aligned movement in 2019 at the Baku summit of the movement and declared the following priorities of contemporary work. Although online summit of the institutional setup of the non-aligned movements like non-parliamentary network.
Founded in 2022, PEPSI for promotion of multilateral Human Rights Council in October of 2023. The draft international covenant on the right to development was submitted to the UN General Assembly for its consideration. Negotiation and membership in 13 years, bringing the number of member states to 121. Azerbaijani chairmanship has also attached particular importance to the development efforts of the non-member states. The heads of state and government of NAM. I propose the distinguished delegation readiness to extend all the necessary support in this process. Azerbaijan is proud to take over a new important international responsibility. Universal, equitable and affordable access to COVID-19 vaccines are being...
Africa has got everything. Here we have everything. What we need from other people are markets and investments. But we shall not only sell to you, we shall also buy from you. We are not like others who want only to sell to others but not buy from them. So I'm very glad to have this big presence of people from the world so that we can interact with you. Our stand is that the world should concentrate on the common human problems: prosperity through trade, the advance of science and technology to deal with human problems, the environment, crime. The future is bright if we act right. These are indeed the Bandung principles of one, respect for fundamental human rights and for the purposes of the principles of the Charter of the United Nations, respect for the sovereignty and territorial integrity of all nations, recognition of the equality of all races and of equality of all nations, large and small, abstention from intervention or interference in the internal affairs of another country, respect for the right of each nation to defend itself singly or collectively in conformity with the Charter of the United Nations, abstention from the use of arrangements of collective defense to serve the particular interests of any of the big powers, abstention by any country from exerting pressure on other countries. 7, refraining from acts of threats, of aggression, or use of force against the territorial integrity or political independence of any country. Settlement of all international disputes by peaceful means, such as negotiation, conciliation, arbitration, or judicial settlement, as well as other peaceful means of the parties' own choice in conformity with the Charter of the United Nations. Promotion of mutual interests and cooperation, and respect for justice and international obligation.